In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat to Lovable AI. To do that, I actually use this widget right here from Elf's site, which is called All-in-One Chat. Click on this install option right here in order to install it and then copy the code it will provide. Once you're in there, head back right here to your Lovable and you can actually just input right here the code that we have added. So just input the prompt, which is add this embed code since this is actually a widget. And then from in there, just input right here the code that we have copied. Lovable will think for a while and edit the index.html key. Once it's done, it will actually embed this particular live chat right there, which you can actually use for your site. So it's actually really simple. You just need to add right here the necessary code and install the actual option. You can also change how it will look like. You can just edit this particular widget and it will also reflect back if you're lovable once you have actually edited it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.